Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Adik bin Muhammad Saad. Matric number 11 DKA 19F1011.
And my name is Muhammad RIDUAN bin SAIFUL SAMRIN from DKA3A, and my matrix number 11 DKA 19F1023.
Today, we would like to present one of the best jigsaw machine.
Before that, let's find out how the history of Bosch Jigsaw machine. The history of jigsaw machine starts at 1946, when Albert Kaufmann, an engineer of Scintilla AG company in Solothurn, Switzerland, replaced the needle on his wife's sewing machine with a saw blade. In 1947, after the development of Kaufmann's invention, Scintilla started producing jigsaw under the name Lesto Jigsaw. In 1954, Scintilla was acquired by Bosch, and in 1964, the name Lesto was replaced with Bosch.
Next, let's move to the definition of Bosch jigsaw machine. A jigsaw is a saw which used to reciprocating blade to cut irregular curves, such as stenciled design in wood, metal, or other materials. Today, they are electrically powered and known as screw saws, and have been largely displaced by portable power jigsaw. Jigsaw machine also used to cut thick or thin wood. Okay, next is the statistic for Bosch jigsaw machine.
Sales statistics for this machine are very encouraging. This machine is very popular, used by carpenters. One of the best jigsaw machines is Bosch GST8000E.
Okay, next, let's move to study about features of this machine. This machine have a small size. It is to simplify the process of making work in a narrow space. This machine also have a good shape. It is easy to use. This machine also have 4 color. One is greenish blue, second is white, third is black, and fourth is red. If you can see, the handle of this machine is greenish blue, white on the saw blade holder, black and board pad, red at the bush words. Let's move to the characteristic of this machine.
Alright, let's start with the characteristic of this product. Bosch GST3000E is not too heavy and has a weight of 2.5 kg to simplify the process of making work in narrow space and to facilitate the process of cutting wood and jigsaw machine tool according to the user's finger grip. Furthermore, this product is also able to simplify the work and save time, energy to make shape, cut, and to cut large number of among the form that can be done when using this machine. A circular curve or zigzag according to the design shape. Bosch GST3000E can cut the large number of wood because this machine uses electricity, then the cutting is faster. The next slide is the value. First value is helping. This product can help us save time and manpower. The next value is to reduce time because this tool do not use manpower and fast cutting. The latter value is flexible, as it can be used in a narrow space due to its small size and lightweight. And the last slide is a comparison between Bosch JST 8000E with stainless steel 345 650 watt. First of all, is Bosch JST 8000E has a more power, which is 710 watt, while stainless steel 345 615 watt only 650 watts. In terms of weight, Bosch JST is lighter with a weight of 2.5 kg, while stainless steel has a weight of 2.8 kg. Compared to the price, Bosch JST is more expensive in the market at Ringgit427.70, while stainless steel with a price of Ringgit289.90. If compared to the cutting ability of Bosch JST would look superior because it can reach a depth of 80 mm, while the machine from stainless steel can only reach of depth of 70 mm. In addition, if done with aluminium, Bosch JST can reach to a depth of 20 mm, while stainless steel can only reach at the level of 10 mm. Only next, if test on non-alloy, Bosch JST still can reach at the level of 10 mm, while stainless steel at 6 mm only. In terms of cable length, Bosch JST has a cable length of 5 mm, while stainless steel only 3 mm, and both has the same stroke length of 20 mm.